Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss class 10th maths exercise 8.3. Before starting this, let's recall some of its formulas. So, first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These are formula that we are going to use in this topic. So the first question is express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So we have to express all these trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of a cot A. So let's start the first question. First question is what is the formula of sin A? Sin A is equal to 1 upon cosecant A, and we have read that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant A whole square. So 1 plus cot square A. This is the first part. sin A को हमने क्या किया, कोट के टर्म्स में एक्सप्रेस कर लिया. अब चलते हैं सेकंड पार्ट पे. अब अपने को ऐसे ही sec को कोट में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो sec A इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस tan square A. So this is equal to, what is the formula of tan A? 1 upon cot A. So this is equal to 1 upon cot square A. तो यहाँ से क्या आ गया, cot A अंडर रूट cot स्क्वायर A प्लस 1. कैल्शियम ले लेंगे तो cot स्क्वायर A आएगा, तो उसका अंडर रूट करेंगे तो cot A आ जाएगा. फिर जब ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एल्शियम लेके तो cot स्क्वायर A प्लस 1. अब चलते हैं थर्ड पार्ट में. ये साइन ए कर लिया, sec ए कर लिया. अब tan ए को कन्वर्ट करना है. tan ए को कोट में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो tan ए का तो सीधा फॉर्मूला होता है 1 अपॉन कोट ए. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ मूव टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. So we have to write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. We have to write sin A, sin, cos, tan, cot, all of these trigonometric ratio in terms of sec A. So let's begin question number second. So sin A is equal to tan A into cos A. How we can write this? See here. Sin A is equal to tan A into cos A. So tan is sin upon cos A, and if we multiply this with cos A, so that is equal to, so sin A is equal to sin A. So we can write this sin A is equal to tan A into cos A. And what is the formula of cos A? Cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A. 1 upon sec A. And we have read that tan A is equal to 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So we can write tan A is equal to under root sec square A minus 1 upon cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A. So that is equal to sec A. So this is sin A. And cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A. This is second. Tan A is equal to under root sec square A minus 1. So this is the property. Third. Fourth is cot A. Cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A, that is equal to 1 upon sec square A minus 1. ये कहाँ से आया? tan अपन ने निकाल ही लिया था, तो ये क्या हो गया? 1 upon sec square A minus 1. Now cosecant A. Cosecant A is equal to 1 upon sin A, that is equal to sec A upon under root sec square A minus 1. And cot A is equal to 1 upon cos A, that is equal to sec A. So this is the all about the second question. Now move to the third question. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. We have to choose one option and we have to justify our answer. So the first question is 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A is equal to. We have to determine this. So let's begin question number third. That is equal to question number third, first part. 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A is equal to. तो यहाँ से 9 कॉमन ले लिया, क्या बच गया? sec स्क्वायर ए माइनस tan स्क्वायर ए. अभी अपन ने पढ़ा था 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर ए इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर ए इज इक्वल टू sec स्क्वायर ए. तो यहाँ से अपने पास क्या आ गया? sec स्क्वायर ए माइनस tan स्क्वायर ए. तो ये 1 हो गया, तो 9 इंटू 1 9. अब देखो सेकेंड पार्ट. 1 प्लस tan थीटा 1 प्लस tan थीटा प्लस sec थीटा इंटू 1 प्लस cot थीटा minus cosecant theta. We have to determine this. So this is equal to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta plus sec theta is 1 upon cos theta into cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Cosecant theta is 1 upon sin theta. So this is all equal to cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. So here is sin theta is equal to sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So here we can see that this is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. This is cos theta plus sin theta, and this is cos theta plus sin theta. Here is plus 1, here is minus 1. This is all equal to a plus b, a minus b. So that is equal to a square minus b square. So cos theta plus sin theta, this is equal to a square minus b square. So 1 square is 1. So cos theta into sin theta. If we open this, what is this? Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta sin theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta sin theta. 1 से 1 कैंसिल आउट हो गया, बच क्या गया 2 sin थीटा cos थीटा अपॉन में cos थीटा. तो यहाँ से एक sin थीटा cos थीटा से sin थीटा cos थीटा कट जाएगा. तो इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा 2. This is equal to 2. So this is the second part. Now move to the third part. Third part is sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. So we have to determine this. So what is the formula of sec a? 1 upon cos a. And what is the formula of tan a? Sin a upon cos a. 1 minus sin a. So take LCM. Cos a is equal to 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a. So this is equal to a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So this is equal to a square minus b square, 1 minus sin square a. And we have read the property 1 plus tan square a is equal to 1 plus, sorry, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a on cos a. So this is equal to cos a. This is the third part. Now move to the fourth part. Fourth part is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to. So 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A, and sec is equal to 1 upon cos. So this is equal to 1 upon cos square A, and cosecant is equal to 1 upon sin square A. So this is equal to sin square A upon cos square A, which is equal to tan square A. So these are the three questions which we discuss in this video. So in the next video we will complete this fourth question. In this we have 10 identities, so we have to prove them. So in the third part we get first one answer is 9, and second answer is 2, and third answer is cos A, and fourth answer is tan square A. So this is all about exercise 8.3, and in the next video we will discuss question 4. So thank you.